Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when your messenger doesn't work on your PC or smartphone. And to do this, first let's open our messenger, and here just to show you I have a Wi-Fi connection and it's connected, so I should have internet. But if we try to send any message to basically anyone, you can see the message right here and it didn't arrive. Now to fix that problem, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and go for additional settings. Right here enter date and time and enable set time automatically. If you want to fix it on your PC, you can do the same thing. Just go to the time settings on your Windows and activate automatic date and time settings as well. Now if we go back to our messenger, as you can see the messages have arrived and we can try sending another one. It works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.